Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your earbuds SOUNDCORE P40i using your phone. And basically we have a few options how to charge it. The first one is to use a cable, and all you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone, and at the back side of the charging case we have USB-C port. So connect USB-C cable right at this port, and we can see this LED light, so it means that it's charging. But also, we can use reverse wireless charging if your phone supports this technology. You need to enable it in the application, and now you just put your earbuds at the back side of the phone, and we can also see this LED light, so it also charges your earbuds. And now that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!